everyone, I hope you all are safe at your places. I'm Priya and today we are going to talk about pronoun and it's part 1. So yes, pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun, okay? We use pronouns for avoiding the repetition of nouns, okay? So have an example here. See, Radha went to market. Radha brought fruits for us. Radha brought some vegetables as well. Radha is tired now. So don't you think we are repeating Radha again and again? It is not so impressive now. So for avoiding this thing, we use pronouns instead of using the noun words. So here we go. Radha went to market. She brought fruits for us. She brought vegetables as well. She tired now. Okay, so here we have replaced Radha, the noun, with she, the pronoun. Okay, and instead of saying this like she brought fruits for us, she brought vegetables as well, we can say Radha went to market. She brought fruits and vegetables for us, and now she is tired. Okay, this is more impressive. So now let's talk about the types of pronouns. The first one is personal pronoun. Second one, possessive pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns is the third one. Fourth one, distributive pronouns. Fifth one, reciprocal pronouns. Sixth one, reflexive pronouns. Seventh, emphatic or emphasizing pronouns. Eighth, indefinite pronouns. Ninth one, relative pronouns, and the 10th one is interrogative pronoun. So now let's talk about the personal pronouns, the very first one. See, personal pronoun stands for the three persons: I, me, we, us, you, he, she, it, they, them. See, there are three persons in the pronoun. We will be talking about this in my next video, okay, the part 2. So now let's talk about the second one, and that is possessive pronouns. See, pronouns that show possession on something, okay, like mine, yours, ours, his, hers, theirs. Okay, these are the some possessive pronouns which actually show the possession of someone over something. The third one is demonstrative pronouns. Words used for nouns to point out it's something or someone. Like if I have something and the other one is saying that the pen which is with you is mine. So I will be like, this is my pen. Here I am pointing out at my pen. Okay, I'm not talking about just any pen in the whole world. Okay. Now the fourth one is distributive pronouns. Words used for individuals or objects referring to them as one at a time. For instance, each, either, neither, every, none, etc. The fifth one is reciprocal pronoun. Each other or one other. See, these are the words which never stand alone. Okay. Now the sixth one is reflexive pronoun. When the action done by the subject turns back or reflects upon the subject, then it's known as reflexive pronoun. For instance, myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, itself, themselves, or oneself. Okay, like if I am saying like I hurt myself, that whatever I do, it reflects to me. Okay. So the seventh one is emphatic or emphasizing pronoun. You know what? Such pronouns are used to lay stress on the subject. These are used for the sake of emphasis. Okay. Suppose that if I'm saying I myself will do this work. Okay. So here I'm stressing more on myself. Like this work has to be done by me. Right. So in this case, the myself one is this emphatic pronoun. I hope this is clear. Now let's talk about the indefinite pronouns. Words used for nouns in vague or general meaning is known as indefinite pronoun. For instance, everybody, somebody, nobody, anybody, someone, no one, everyone, everything, something, nothing, anyone, all, some, any, few, much. And if I'm saying no one is doing this, we don't know specifically the people who are not doing this, right? So that's why it is the indefinite pronoun. So now the ninth one is relative pronouns. Words used for nouns to show them relating to something, okay, are known as relative pronoun, like who, whom, to whom you are going to. Okay. And now the next one, interrogative pronoun, is there. Words used for nouns to ask questions, okay, like who, what, whose, these kind of words, like what's your name. Okay. And here is the exercise sheet, the easiest one, completed and submitted to me. We will be meeting in the next part of this video. Till then, please take care of you and your loved ones. Be at your places, be safe.